Okay, this is for week 2 Monday, quarter 4, simplifying radical exams, part 2. All right, so yesterday we went over number 1 to 9. Today we're going to go ahead and go over number 10. This is easy, that's correct. Although, here's the thing, it's actually a plus and minus 7. It's not just a plus 7, it's a minus 7. Did she ever talk to you about negative 7? The reason for that is 7 times 7 is 49, correct? But isn't negative 7 times negative 7 also 49? So it's also negative 7. It's plus and minus 7. Is that a 3 right there? Or is that a 2? Is it a square or is that a cube? Okay, if it's a cubed, you got it right here. 1, 2, 3, correct? You need 3 of a kind, which means your answer is just 5. You messed it up. This is if it's like a square root, but this is a cube root. Do you see that? So yeah, this one, 169. If I break it down, because there's a 9, I know 3 will go in there. So 3 times. Okay, maybe not 3, just kidding. 169, I think it's just 13 times 13. Do you see that? So your answer is just 13. You messed up on like the easiest ones, dude. Okay, so remember, cube root of 125 is 5. Okay? Square root of 169 is just 13.
I sound like I got all the questions.
It's fine, but I'm just saying those are easy ones. These ones are harder, but you got these ones right. So this is a 3 times 2, this is a 7. This is not right. 42. 6 times 7, this is a 2 times 3, correct? Is there any 2 of a kind here? Nothing here is a 2 of a kind, so it's just square root 32. You can't do anything to it. Do you understand? Okay. Is this cube 30? Cube root 30, is that what it is? Is that cube root 30? So 3 times 10, 2 times 5, 5, 2, 3, multiply together, that gives me 30, correct? Do you have any 3 of a kind here? No, so your answer is just square root 30. Okay, for this one, 20. So 20 times 10, this is good. 2 times 5, 2 times 10, 2 times 5. You're looking for 2 of a kind, right? So for 2 of a kind, there's 1, 2. So you know a 2 comes out, correct? 2 of a kind, 5. So you know a 5 comes out, right? But then this 2 is left inside the square root. What's 2 times 5? 10 square root 5, or 2. Not 5, 2. So you were close, but you need to make sure you make adjustments and corrections. I'm going to pause this, so go ahead and. Okay, number 16. Did you get it right? I think you got it right. Yes, okay. This one. 2 times 6, 2 times 3. Do you see the 2 of a kind right here? 2 goes on the outside, 3 goes on the inside. Do you see that a squared? There's 2 a's. So a comes outside. That's your answer. Do you see that? This right here needs to be out. You can't just keep that in there. So don't do anything yet. We're going to go over another one. I don't know. 2 times 48, 2 times 24, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. Do you see how there's one set of 2's you could take out? A second set of 2's, and that's it. So you get 2 times 2, which is 4. What's 2 times 3? It's not 7, it's 6. 2 times 3 is 6, not 7. I love you, teacher. Okay, number 19, 3 times 15 is 45, but you got to break it down. It's 9 times 5. Do you see that? That's a perfect square. So it's a 3 square root 5. You just need to do one more step. Make sure you simplify. Okay. This one's good. This one I know for sure she didn't teach you already. Do you see how this is a cube root? If it's a square root, it would be a 2, right? But you can't Just leave it like that. You have to multiply by another cube root like that. Do you see that? Because on top and bottom, this is just 1. Do you see that? So then what ends up happening here? Actually, you know what? She didn't mark anything this wrong because this is too difficult. Actually, 4 times 4 is 16, correct? Let's see, that's 4 times 6. Actually, this is not gonna work. You can't do that. Never mind. I think for this one, you will literally have to do cube root of 4 times cube root of 4. You have to do it 3 times because it's 3. Do you see that? Here's the thing. This is not multiplying by anything. This is still 1. This is still 1. So it's still legal. Do you see that? Cube root of 4 times cube root of 4 times cube root of 4 is going to end up with just 4. The cube root is gone. Do you see that? And I don't think she marked anybody wrong because it looks like she gave you points. But what happens on top is you have a cube root of 60 times 4 times 4. Do you see that? Which is 960. So then you have to factor this out. 960. If you think about it, cube root of 8 is 2, correct? We want to use 2 because that's a cube root. 960 divided by 8 is 120, right? 120. Let's see what else can we do with the 8. 120 divided by 8 is 15, right? This is as far as you can go. Cube root of 8 is a 2. Cube root of 8 is a 2, correct? 2 times 2 is a 4. 15 stays on the inside, 4 on the outside. Do you see that? Can I cancel the 4? Yes, you can. So what's your answer? Cube root 15. You actually got that right. How did you get that? Huh?
Accident.
By accident?
I just divided it. Or, okay, I multiplied 15 by 4.
Okay, well, all right, so let's go on to the number 22, okay? Or number, oh yeah, 22. For number 22, it's a cube root 40, 2 times 20, 2 times 10, 2 times 5, right? 1, 2, 3. You could take that 2 out, but the 5 goes back inside. So that one is actually correct. This one, you have a -1 for number 23. Cube. So 2 times 12, right? 2 times 6, 2 times 3. Do you see the 3 of a kind right here? You could take a 2 out. That 6 goes back inside, okay? X cubed. You just take an X out. That's it. This would have been right if you just take that out. That's it. You did the same mistake here as you did the same mistake here. Do you see that? Gotten like another extra 2 points, which might have put you over to the C. Okay, that concludes it. I know, it's so sad. I can't believe you gotta mess this up. It's so sad. So sad.